Install Traverso DAW, audio editor, on Ubuntu Linux. Traverso DAW is a free multi-track audio recording and editing program. It is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. The user interface is intuitive, clean, and efficient. This software is written in C++ for Linux operating system, but there are ports available for Windows and Mac OS. The lightweight, robust, and solid Digital Audio Workstation, DAW, makes it the best choice for professional as well as home users. Features: record a mic into a single track, save recording as a WAV file or compressed audio file format like OGG or WAVPAC. Supports importing WAV, OGG, FLAC, MP3, or WAVPAC files with any sample rate and mix them freely. Fast mouse plus keyboard control. Unlimited undo-redo capabilities. Let's see how to install it on Ubuntu. Refresh the Ubuntu package index and use apt-install Traverso to install Traverso. Let's see it in action. Traverso is part of the official Ubuntu Debian distribution. Log into Ubuntu with sudo privileges. Open the terminal by pressing ctrl plus alt plus t key, update the package index, and use the apt-install command to install Traverso on Ubuntu. Type Traverso on shell prompt to launch it. It asks to select a folder to store the recordings. Just browse and select any folder you want. This is how the dashboard looks. Run this command to uninstall remove Traverso from your Ubuntu. All the commands and links given in description. Traverso is free software. You can redistribute and/or modify it under the terms of the GNU General Public License. You can also be part of the development of the software. Next, download the user manual and start playing with it. There is a learning curve, but once learned, you can easily record and edit audio using this tool. Please like, share, and subscribe.